slip stitch, which can be used to move yarn along your work or to join two pieces of work together. For demonstration purposes, I have a row of single crochet. From the top you can see a row of V's, and from the side you can see the gaps between the stitches. This is where we're going to be placing our hook. To slip stitch, we insert our hook into the stitch, we yarn over and pull it through, then pull the first loop on the hook through the second loop. We insert our hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull it through, and pull the first loop through the second loop. Again, into the stitch, yarn over, pull through, and pull through. Into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through, and pull through. One more time, into the next stitch, yarn over and pull it through, and pull the first loop through the second loop. And that's how you do the slip stitch.